Did you know that police dispatchers sometimes take calls that change everything in seconds? Officer Mike had worked dispatch for 15 years. He had heard every kind of call. Tonight felt like any other shift. 911, what's your emergency? Hi. There's this party at my house and things got really bad. People are breaking stuff and someone brought drugs and I'm scared they won't leave. Mike started typing the address. Standard noise complaint. Then the caller said something that made his blood freeze. My dad's gonna kill me. He's a cop and he doesn't even know I'm having people over. The voice. Mike knew that voice. Son? Tyler, is that you? Silence. Then a whispered, Dad? In that moment, Mike wasn't a dispatcher anymore. He was a father whose kid was in danger, but he also had a job to do. Protocol said send units. His heart said get there himself. Stay on the line, Tyler. Help is coming. Sometimes the hardest calls are the ones closest to home. Like and follow for more daily stories.